Lowering the graphics settings in League of Legends can help improve performance, especially on lower-end systems. Follow these steps to adjust your settings easily. Step 1. Launch the game. Open League of Legends by double-clicking the game icon on your desktop or through your game launcher. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once the game has loaded, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the client to open the settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the video settings. In the settings menu, find and select the video tab. This section contains all the graphics settings you can adjust. Step 4. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality option and lower it from high to medium or low. You can also manually adjust individual settings like texture quality, shadow quality, and effects quality to further reduce the load on your system. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, click on the Apply button to save your changes. It may be necessary to restart the game for the changes to take full effect. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your game's performance. Enjoy your improved gaming experience.